Alright, so what I have today is the OnePlus 8 Pro, and the model I have is the Ultramarine Blue, 12 gigabytes RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. If you do enjoy the unboxing, please make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, please make sure to subscribe. But finally, let's get into it. So this is the unboxing experience, and there it is. This phone is massive. I believe it's 7 inches pretty much. I think it's like 6.9, but it's pretty much 7, guys. As you can see, this is the device. Let's see what else is in the box first. It's probably gonna be very similar to the regular OnePlus 8. So it looks like we have some pocket here. Another invitation letter. Never settle, quick start guide. Looks like to be 2 screen protectors. Let's leave this up here. We also get a case, which is nice. I'll leave this on this side. We also have a USB-C to USB-A adapter in red and white, usual for OnePlus devices. And the Warp charging adapter, 30 watts, which I think Apple should be including in all their devices. So let's go ahead and take this off. So this is it. This is the OnePlus 8 Pro. We have the 4 camera modules, this one included. As you can see, we have USB-C on the bottom. It's not identical, but we have our SIM card tray on the left, speakers on the right. We have the vibrate ringer adjuster, as well as the lock and unlock here. On the top, we just have the antenna bands. And then on the right, we have the up and down volume. And as you can see, there's also a bit of a curve on the display as well. Can't say I'm a fan of that, but this is the camera that we have on the back. Very nice color, very nice color. Let me go ahead and take this off because we don't need it anymore. And we have OnePlus on the bottom right here. This nice ultramarine color. Whoa, where'd that come from? Let's go ahead and slap on this case, see what it looks like with the case on. Bring it closer for you guys. Never settle. So let's go ahead and power this on, and I'll get it set up and show you guys what I'll be using every day. Alright, so here we are. This is the setup that I'm using for the OnePlus 8 Pro. It also has the 128 display, super quick, very fast, much faster than the OnePlus 8. But let's go ahead and look at my settings. So Wi-Fi, I don't think you guys can see that, but just the emojis and my Wi-Fi name, pretty cool. Going on to display, I actually have comfort tone turned off because I don't like when my screen turns orange or really blue depending on my light, even though I know it does help my eyes. It just really makes videos look bad in some instances. Moving on to advanced, so I have vivid on because, like I said before, I like to have my colors pop. The resolution comes out the box is actually full HD. If you guys want to take advantage of the full display, make sure you choose the Quad HD Plus 1440p. It's really nice. For the refresh rate, you can choose to go down to 60, but people aren't buying this device to get 60, guys. You're buying this to get 120 hertz. So make sure you have that option enabled. Front camera display, I have that on just because it looks really weird with the notch off. I'll show you guys. You just get that black bar at the top. I don't really like that, so I actually have it on. Vibrant color effect pro I actually have on because I like colors to be poppy. Alright, so I have motion graphics smoothing turned off because I actually don't like the soap opera effect that happens in some videos. Basically what this is, it's the motion estimation, motion compensation going on. It's basically, it bumps up the video refresh rate to be 240 hertz. That's how you get that soap opera effect. Some people like it, some people hate it. I like it in some instances, but on a smartphone, I don't want it on. That's pretty much it in terms of the display. Wallpaper, as always, has the nice one on there. Tone, I switched to dark just so I can save battery. I mean, you guys can see what the colorful one looks like, but it's pretty bright, as you can see, but I like to choose dark. And yeah, that's pretty much my setup. It looks like there might be an update. That's nice, there is. So as you can see, there's already an update, really nice. You actually get improved video smoothness and the motion graphics smoothing, the MEMC that I was talking about. But yeah, this is my device. I'll show you guys once again. Let me take off the case so you guys can see. It does curve a lot on the side, and it does read your registrations whenever you tap it on the side. It's kind of annoying. In-display fingerprint reader as well. And yeah, this is the OnePlus 8 Pro. I will be doing a full review on it in the upcoming weeks, but one more thing I want to show you guys. This thing has so much wobble, but I'll try to have a review sometime next week over the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro, so if you want to stay tuned for that, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. I'm so surprised they send you invitation letters. That's crazy. Actually crazy. Never settle. Never settle, guys.